exploring the beauty of the Vietnamese lotus. The Vietnamese lotus, known scientifically as Nelumbo nucifera, graces the country's landscapes with its ethereal beauty and is crucial in defining the nation's gastronomy, agriculture, and tourism. The intricate threads of significance that this flower carries, from the muddy waters of its roots to the purity of its bloom, are woven into the tapestry of Vietnamese living, a journey of transcendence, transformation, and constant growth. Symbolism of the Vietnamese lotus. There's something magical about lotus flowers. As travelers, we're used to observing nature's extraordinary beauty, from the sea's deep turquoise hues to the vibrant sunset's vibrant color spectacle. But the Vietnamese lotus goes beyond pure aesthetics. It packs a more profound cultural significance that resonates with millions of folks who call this Southeast Asian country home. Growing and harvesting the Vietnamese lotus. Bathing under the warm sunlight and brimming with unique grace, the Vietnamese lotus is a visual extravaganza. An iconic emblem of the country's cultural fabric, it's intriguing to dig deeper into its life cycle, cultivation, and distinctive characteristics. The birthplace of this enchanting flora, Vietnam, is mirrored with ponds and lakes, radiating the vibrant hue of floating lotus flowers. Cultivating lotus isn't a mundane horticultural exercise, but rather a passionate reverie. Farmers painstakingly plant these lotus seeds in clay-heavy loam around the banks of ponds or waterlogged fields during the year's cooler months. Each seed nestles within the mud, nurturing the promise of an enchanting flower. Lotus-based Vietnamese cuisine. Dive right in with us as we explore the world of the lotus flower in Vietnamese delicacies, where it transforms from a symbol of purity into a delightful culinary experience. Across Vietnamese kitchens, every part of the lotus, its plump seeds, crisp stems, aromatic leaves, and magnificent petals, are woven into delicious gastronomical tales to be told and tasted. One cannot speak of lotus and Vietnamese cuisine or mention chè sen, a traditional dessert soup. Evoking memories of grandmothers stirring large pots over wooden stoves, this soup is sweetened to perfection using sugar or coconut milk. The hearty lotus seeds take center stage, simmered until tender, curating a delightful flavor balance. Lotus tourism in Vietnam. Dive into the lotus season at the West Lake of Hanoi, where hundreds of enchanting lotus flowers bloom from June to August, painting the lake's surface with a surreal beauty that would inspire any artist or photographer. Embark on the well-kept secret Tin Cay, where Tra Sen, the lotus tea, fills the air with its mild fragrance, and every sip takes you back to a simpler time. Created by filling lotus blossoms with green tea at night, then collected at the break of dawn to ensure maximum absorption of the flower's fragrance, it's a wonder that screams Vietnamese legacy. Cheap flights from Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh City will lead you to Dong Thap Province in the Mekong Delta, another prominent lotus hub. Let your senses get lost in the Thap Moi lotus fields, which stretches over 75 acres. An early morning visit will reveal lotus flowers opening their petals and greeting the sun, while the early afternoon will see them close, bidding the day goodbye. Venture down to South Vietnam and find yourself in Hong Gut District, where a relatively new lotus field has already become quite the spectacle, covering a massive area of around 100 hectares. This location is breathtaking during sunrise and sunset, painting the sky with orange and pink hues reflecting off the surrounding water surface. Therefore, exploring the Vietnamese lotus is more than just viewing a flower. It's tasting a delightful tea, getting lost in enchanting ponds, walking amid lush fields, connecting with spiritual roots, and learning a craft. It's an immersion into a piece of Vietnam. The lotus, a symbol of purity, majesty, and elegance, is an experience only found in the heart of this prosperous and diverse country. So, the lotus's reach extends much further than being a visually pleasing element of Vietnam's natural flora. Beyond symbolizing spiritual enlightenment and being a recurring theme in arts, it is also a cornerstone of local cuisine and a vital source of income and tourism for the country. If you want to learn more about the Vietnamese lotus, you can visit our website at www.busonadustyroad.com. Thank you for watching.